Hey, um, so you guys have to tell me if my mom. Oh, my friend's out of the bathroom.
Your kid body.
Okay, you guys have to tell me if my mom snores or not, okay? If you can hear her. Dang it. Bye. Peace out.